Sup, Cammers! Cammet Gaming here, and welcome to the third day of my 10 subscriber special. The second day might have not been uploaded, but if it was, it would be on South Park Channel 555 one, because we recorded it round theirs. We had some fun playing Loading Screen Simulator, which isn't a real game. It was just trying to load on to play Halo, but we never got to play it. We just had this bunch of fun with all of the with South Park, and it was really cool. So don't forget to check that out if he has downloaded that. So in this video, all I want to do is just tell you guys who the 11th subscriber was, and it was Fleur Wilkinson. So thanks so much for my 11th subscriber. And that's not going to be it. That's not the end of the video. This one's going to be the shortest one. Only because the fourth one is going to be a game and the fifth one is going to be a surprise. So, I'm sorry I'm recording this on Thursday. I'm going to be uploading it on Friday, so I'm sorry this was actually meant to be for Wednesday, but I mean I've been doing quite a lot of things recently, and I haven't been particularly getting to be able to do as much YouTube as I used to. I'm sorry about that, guys, but normal videos will be back after Friday. On Saturday they will be back to normal, my usual, either Minecraft or Sims 3 plays, or sometimes Tapped Outs, but usually either Minecraft or Sims 3 plays. But yeah, that's probably it for the third day. There's not a lot. All I wanted to announce was my 11th subscriber. So thank you so much, 11th subscriber, and I hope to see all of you guys on the 4th day, which will probably be uploaded, or probably even today. Bye, guys!